Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Cyril. In this channel called Pidoa Academy, I'm sharing with you my knowledge on Oracle, Linux, and cloud infrastructure. As we all know, Oracle has recently released the 21C version, Oracle version, and it was still available only on cloud. Okay, so 3 days back they have made the downloadable version available on Prime. So we can directly go and download the software and install. So before I show you how to do that, I'm going to take you through my YouTube channel. I have been doing tutorials on Oracle database administration, and if you need anything or if you want to learn how to install Oracle Linux or how to apply July patches, you can just go to my YouTube channel called Pidoa Academy. You go to Pidoa Academy and you go to playlist or you go to video session. Okay, you will find all the tutorials that I have released till today. So let's say you want to see how to apply July 2021 patches on a rack database. You go and then you will get these tutorials where I'm sharing with you how to the complete steps by step on how to apply July 2021 patches on Oracle 2 Note. Okay, so for standalone, applying patch on standalone also, I have released tutorials. These are the tutorials on how to apply July 2021 patches on 12C standalone database with 19C grid infrastructure. Okay. If you want to learn how to install Oracle Linux, I have also how to install Oracle Linux 7.9 on VirtualBox 6.1. Oracle Linux 6.8.4 on VirtualBox 6.1, and also regarding OEM, Oracle Enterprise Manager Cloud Control 13C, I have released a complete step-by-step tutorials, which is 3 parts, in part 1, part 2, and part 3. So you will find all these tutorials on my YouTube channel. So let's come back to today's topics. Today's topics is regarding how to download grid infrastructure 21C for Linux. So currently it's available only on Linux. The Windows version is not yet available. It's not yet uploaded. Okay. So to download the 21C grid infrastructure software, you just go to Google. You can go to your browser, or you go to Google search and then you type download grid 21C soft. Okay, and then you will find database download software. You can click here. When you come to this page, you will see Oracle database 21C. You see all. Click see all. So here you will find the Oracle database 21C for Linux RPM. Okay, you go and down, you will see down Linux 21C 21.3 DB home. This is actually the database home 21C. And here you will find the grid infrastructure 21C, grid infrastructure home. So you just come this page and then you click on download. Okay, when you click on download here, it will directly download the DB home. You can see here I'm downloading the DB home, and here I have downloaded the grid infrastructure home. So this is how you can proceed to download the 21C grid infrastructure home and database home. Another way to download is from eDelivery. So just type eDelivery Oracle, your browser, you go to eDelivery, Then you need to sign in. So I already signed in. So when you come to this page, when you sign in, you will come here. You search for database. If you type database, you'll find here Oracle Database 21.3. You select this. You add to your item, then you continue. So here you have the database 21.3, and here you have the database grid infrastructure. So you select the platform. As you can see, currently only one platform is available. It's available only for Linux 64-byte. So this is my platform. You select this and then you continue. You accept the license agreement. Okay, continue. Accept the license agreement, then continue. Here you close this. And here we don't need everything, right? I will remove the current version and then I will download only the database and the grid infrastructure. So and then you hit on download. So this is how you can also download. So you have two ways. You can download from eDelivery or directly from Oracle. Okay, thank you very much for watching this. Please, if you are new here, do like and subscribe, and let's see you later in another tutorial. Thank you. Bye.